After you have finished with modeling, or maybe you want to see how things look in some of the project stages, you will probably want to visualize your structure. Before we go to rendering pictures and videos, we first need to define a few settings. While in navigation mode, you can right-click somewhere in the viewport. The drop-down menu appears from which you can choose several options. You can directly assign the surface elements depending on which element you clicked. You can select the elements to be visible in that viewport, export 3D or 2D data, set the surroundings, project lights and camera paths, render pictures or movies. Go to the surroundings option. Here you can position the sun and play with the shadows defining the time of the day, month, nor position and input all the information about location. You can change the background from color to physical sky, or choose the custom option. By clicking on the three dots icon, you can access the Windows folder where you have the desired picture saved in one of the common picture formats. You can also change the option for the white virtual plane. You can change its height and choose its surface. We can turn it off for now. In the Location tab, you can choose the location by searching or zooming on the map. In the right bottom corner of the viewport, you can change the view style. You have the wireframe option, hidden option where you don't see all the hidden edges inside the structure. In the settings, you can show hidden edges, show surfaces and add the post-process effect. In the animation settings, you can choose the shading styles according to your graphic card type. Turn on or off the edges and textures of the elements. MIP mapping interpolation is the best way to show the surface textures. You can choose between the soft and hard shadows and set the shadow smoothing. You also have the sketch view style. Here you can select the line type, thickness and the extension of edges. You can set the level of detail with the slider and remove the adjacent edges. You also have the option to turn the surfaces on. The last one is the real-time renderer option. Here you can set the criterion when the render is finished. Let's choose quality. For your first renders, set the medium quality because the waiting time can be significantly longer. You can also use the white model effect, which gives you more cleaner looking models. For post-process settings, you can set the tone mapping, choose more warmer or colder colors, and so on. When the render is finished, just click the right mouse button on the viewport again and save contents as a bitmap in one of the following file formats. You can do this on any kind of viewport style. In Animation window, go to Render option. Choose the resolution of the output picture from the list or set the custom resolution. Choose the type of the renderer and the mode. Here you have additional options for toggling transparency, reflections, textures, and so on. You can optimize your renders for exteriors or interiors. Set the desired picture quality and click on Render. The new window will appear in which the picture is rendering. You can minimize it and continue your work on the model until the render is finished. After the render is done, you can set the picture saturation, brightness and contrast, and then save it as a bitmap. Next, we can set the camera path for our video recording. Click on Add New Camera Path on the bottom of the palette and then click on Run. Click to match the camera setting from the viewport. Move, rotate and set your cameras the way you want by repeating the process. Press the Escape key when you've set everything you wanted. Next we can go to Record Movie option. Rename the movie, set the compression type, change the calculation type and resolution of the video. Define the total time of the video, frames per second, and if you want to make more detailed changes, go to Timeline options. Here you can define the time between each camera position. Click on OK when you are ready and let Allplan do the rest of the work. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video tutorial.